start of the biggest race of the year. It's going to be a very tricky start, but we have full faith in Nico and hope he will do a good job.
Before we start, everybody's looking at the sky also to see how the weather is going to be. Trying for 24 hours to be the quickest.
It kept raining in one part of the circuit, then another part of the circuit. It only came in a few corners at a time, so super difficult out there.
We probably made a wrong call not to stay on the slick tires, and then we got 2 drive-through penalties. Not ideal, but race is long, anything can happen.
Box this lap.
We are 9 hours in, 14th at the moment, but we still have both cars on track. Hopefully we can keep making up positions.
Michael, we expect heavy rain.
I hit the barrier.
The first couple of hours of my stint, we were just running behind the safety car for an hour and a half, 2 hours probably, but the conditions were really bad. It's been a long night for me, a lot of rain. We're 6.5 hours from the end. It's drying up now, so pretty much everyone is back onto slick tires. See what happens. Hopefully we can still gain a couple of places.
The crane crossed the road and put some sand on track. The car in front of me had a slide and also had one. That locked completely the front wheels.
In the car for the final 2 hours. It was mixed conditions, everyone switched to rain tires again.
Merci les gars, merci à tous dans le garage et devant les baies et tout ça. Bravo à tous.
Glad we made it to the finish with both cars. Everyone worked super hard. We've had no issues. Mechanics did a great job.